guys, it's Angela. I'm gonna do a sort of swipe, sort of chameleon cell kind of piece. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. Happens to be black. Probably isn't gonna stay that color. Using my Artist Loft Ready Mixed. These are two colors that I had mixed with Artist Loft pouring medium, and also just some Artist Loft colors. And these are dry, so I want to make sure. This was a Amsterdam color. His name is escaping me at the moment, but I'll put it in the description. So, mostly just going to show you what I'm doing, and yeah. There was an inspiration video for this. German gentleman. His videos are subtitled, and I will link to him in the description. His name is unfortunately escaping me right now. And honestly, I probably could not pronounce it even if I could remember it. So, I will put it in the description. So, here we go. Well, yeah, it's like controlled chaos in a way. I like how focusing the silicone in some places, you're able to make the cells huge, and then in other ways, you know, like these little clusters down here are just small and delicate. And yeah, I didn't really intend to like cover the whole thing in silicone, but that's sort of what happened. But I like it. I like it. I don't know. I like it. So anyway, we'll see how it dries.
I just want to go to the playground.
You want to go to the playground?
Yeah.
Okay. So I guess I'm done with this for right now. So yeah, we'll see how it dries. I guess I'm gonna have to start being much more aware of how I leave things to dry because this is the second time in a week that things have shifted a bit too much. And this isn't fully dry yet, but I'll take you in for just a bit closer of a look. Still really cool. And I do still like it, but it just morphed a bit too much, and that's like a giant puddle of paint right there, so hopefully it doesn't crack as it dries, so we'll see. But it's still pretty fun. Definitely want to play with this again. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.